can call me Nafisa with the last student number 165 and my friend. Hi, my name is Evinadi Putrana, the study number 159. We are major in Indonesian language and literature education.
Hello, my name is India Zanila Hadiana and you can call me Yaza.
Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the importance of English for college student and their future. English is not only a subject on campus but also essential skill for academic life, career development and global community. Today we are joined by Miss Imtiaza, Indonesian language and literature education student who actively use English in her daily academic and professional life. Hi Miss Imtiaza.
Hello,
How are you today?
I'm doing great and I'm very excited because you invited me on this podcast today.
What do you think college important student today?
English is very important to us, especially for a student, because English help us to connect with the global opportunities like online courses, international journal, and scholarship. Most of all is using English. And without English, I think we may have limited access to knowledge and to the career opportunities.
How does English influence your future career preparation?
Okay, English prepares me to the professional environment.
Yes.
During my internship, English was often used in the meetings and then in the email. And it helped me to communicate with the professionally and confidently.
Yes. Can you share experience language English?
At first, I was afraid to speak English because I worried to make a mistake. But then I realized that we can learn from the mistake. By practicing consistently, I think my confidence gradually improved.
So, what was your biggest challenge?
The biggest challenge is not about the vocabulary or the grammar, but my confidence is the biggest challenge.
Yes. Your tips have student English language.
Okay, first you can practice your English skill daily by in a simple conversation, like with your friends or with your family, with your brother, your sister. And then number two, you should expose yourself with English through podcasts or movies and music or the films. And number three, don't be afraid to speak English.
Okay, Miss Imtiaza. And then, how can students overcome insecurity when speaking English?
They should focus on delivering message,
Yes.
not being perfect, because confidence comes from practicing and positive mindset.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, how important is consistency in learning English?
Consistency is very important. Short but regular practice is more effective than studying for a long time only once in a while. Even in 10 minutes or 15 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Oh yes. What motivates you to keep improving your English skill?
My motivation comes from knowing that English opens many opportunities, such as studying, working, and connecting with people from other countries. It also helped me feel more confidence in expressing my ideas.
Yes. Okay. How does exposure to English help students improve?
Exposure helps students get familiar with pronunciation and expression. Listening regularly makes English feel more natural.
Yes. So, what media do you recommend for learning English?
Okay, the media. We can use podcasts and then movies, songs or books. It's very helpful to learning English. And students can learn new vocabulary from that media.
Yeah. Many students are afraid of making mistakes. What is your impression of you?
Making mistake is a normal and important in learning These mistakes show that we are trying and learning in English.
Yes. Are mistakes a bad thing in learning English?
No, mistakes are normal and it's important. Because making mistakes shows that students are learning and trying something new.
It's a normal.
Yes, it's a normal thing.
And then what causes insecurity when students speak English?
Okay, insecurity usually comes from lack of confidence and limited practice. Students worry too much about grammar and then the pronunciation.
Yes, pronunciation. Do students know vocabulary to speak English?
I think no, because simple vocabulary is enough. Using simple words clearly is better than using difficult words incorrectly.
So, what simple activities can students do practice English daily?
Students can talk about their daily activities, such as what they do in the morning, or at school, or at university. They can also describe objects around them using simple sentences.
Is talking to yourself a good way to practice English?
Yes, it is very helpful. Talking to yourself helps students practice speaking without pressure, fear, or embarrassment. It is a good way to build confidence.
How about practicing English with friends?
Practicing with friends make learning more fun and relaxing. Students feel safer making mistakes when they practice with people they trust.
Many students compare themselves to others. Is that a problem?
Of course, yes, everyone has a different learning speed. Students should focus on their own progress, not compare themselves to others.
Yes. What should students do when they feel nervous with speaking English?
They can take a deep breath, and speak slowly.
Slowly,
Yes, and being calm helps them to express ideas more clearly.
Yes. How does body language help communication?
Body language supports spoken words and gesture, then facial expression helpful convey meaning.
And then who can give helpful feedback?
Maybe teachers, then friends,
Yes.
and even classmates can help to give feedback if you practice English. And supportive feedback builds the confidence instead of fear.
Yes. What is the best way to deal with mistakes?
Students should learn from them calmly, and instead of feeling embarrassed, they should see mistakes as a feedback.
Before we are a podcast, do you have a message for college students?
Okay, of course, I have a message for the college student. Use English right now. Don't wait until you're perfect, because English skill is come from practicing every day.
Okay, thank you Miss Imtiaza for sharing your experience and insight. Or you have the podcast and college students to confident in English. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.